Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. In today's video we're going to be drawing this reference photo, so let's get started. This is actually one of the ways that I learned how to draw faces. I used to watch follow along videos. I used to watch what other artists do. I really pay attention to the way they draw, and then I take what works for me and drop what doesn't really resonate with me. This is a good way to actually learn how to draw, so that's why I'm making this video, to help you guys with portrait drawing. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the pencil that I'm going to be using. Maybe I'll use a 7B pencil later if I want to go dark. All right, so now obviously I usually like to start with a circle. I'll put the reference photo here, and then the drawing will be somewhere around here. Okay, now once I draw the circle, I like to locate where the eyebrows are going to be and the center line. Now maybe I should just put the eyes here. So let me just put the eyes, and then I'll draw the nose and the mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna make the eyes a little bit bigger, just a little bit. Just for the sake of stylization. Now the eyebrow here, right? The other eyebrow is gonna be here. Now this stage is all about sketch. I'm not trying to copy, just trying to put down some loose lines. Right, so we've got the eyes. So the tip of the nose is gonna be here. It feels like that. All right, now I'll find the width of the nose, like how wide the nose is gonna be. I think this is how wide it should be. The nostril is gonna just be a dark line. The other side, just put down a line like this. And now the lips, as you can see, it's not following the center line of the face, so I need to move the center line of the face a little bit to this side. The top lip is going to be here. Let me move it slightly higher. Right, the corner of the mouth is going to be here. Now we can use this eye to adjust. Now I should move this one eye here a little bit inside. Yeah, I think that is how it should be. So I like to use interrelationship measurement to kind of get the proportions. The corner of the mouth, maybe here. And then you're gonna see some overlap. All right, the bottom lip here. And now it's time to add the contour lines. So you always leave up some space between the corner of the eye and where the cheekbone starts. Okay, here. Like this. The chin is going to be probably somewhere around here. All right. Maybe I should make her, I think the bottom third is way longer. No, I think it's okay. Yeah. All right, let's draw the jaw. Maybe the corner of the jaw is going to be here. Taking into consideration the distance between the corner of the mouth and the corner and the edge of the jaw. If you draw a straight line from the mouth, it's going to be slightly above it, just a little bit. All right. And if you draw another straight line, it's going to be, the top of the ear is going to be somewhere here. Yeah, I think. All right, let's come back here. We draw the forehead, right? And then the hair. You can see one hair strand, one hair lock here. Okay, the hair. Just quick sketches. Now the neck, the back of the neck starts here. The collarbone, maybe I should just bring it higher. And this one here that connects to the shoulder. And then normally I should make her neck smaller, much smaller. All right, now her chest is here, right? Her dress. So this is what I'm seeing so far. The hair. Now I'm just gonna shade a little bit, just a little bit. The eyes, nose, mouth, just the features down the side of the chin, and maybe part of the body, and then the hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and then the drawing will be done. All right, so I'm gonna start perhaps with the with the eyes. So usually the eyelashes, okay, the eyes in general are pretty dark. All right, usually the eyebrows as well. And I'm gonna shade this side a little bit down, the eye socket, just a little. And then I'll come here, okay, I'll come down here, I'll shade the underside of the nose, this one eye here, all right, the eyebrow, just like this. Yeah, the lips. So I'm trying to keep it simple, okay? I'm not gonna complicate things, just gonna keep it simple for the shading. Now the bottom lip here is kind of bigger on my end, yeah, but it's okay. Yeah, the bottom lip here is bigger. All right, so I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm just gonna shade this a little bit. So I'll just quickly shade the hair, just give it a little bit of shading. So I'll skip some parts because I don't want to annoy you with the music. And I like to draw locks, hair locks, or dreadlocks. um I got so used to drawing them now. I feel like I can draw them better than regular hair. Okay, now the ear. Okay, I think this is I think that's good enough. Let's come here. All right, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna draw the shoulders, the arm, the neck. So I'm gonna stop here, guys. You can hear the voice in the background. It's really annoying. So I have to stop here. So thank you so much for watching. Now, if you want to support me, go to my Patreon and become a member. You get access to all my exclusive videos. I upload videos like this, okay, but 1 hour long. And yeah, I upload follow along videos, tutorials, basically many interesting videos. All right, so yeah, if you want to support me, go on my Patreon and subscribe. Thank you so much. Sometime I draw my patrons. Last week I made a drawing of one of my patrons, which was really cool, and I'm gonna keep doing that. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Like the video and subscribe if you have not done so. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.